So I'm here on a very quiet parking space next to a river, and the sun is shining. I was at the laundromat and I put away all my clothes, and now I have 10 more minutes until my lesson, my study partnership with Elena, Russian-German. And I would like to stay here overnight, but I can't because today I have to go to my son's apartment and print out all the documents for my new job, which I will start working the 1st of March. Yeah, I got the job, and I hope that they won't, not they, I mean not the hotel, I mean the retirement assurance. What are they? The company that assures, no, insurance, not assurance. I'm thinking in French. So the insurance that applies if you are if you're old and you retire, then you get money from them. Retirement insurance. Well, I get money from them because my heart doesn't work anymore. It works still, but it doesn't work that well anymore. So they said don't work more than 2 hours 59 minutes each day. That's why I worked in the thrift store, because they have such peculiar, rare jobs nobody else has. And now it turns out I have to pay taxes from 6 years, which they made a mistake, and now I have to pay 12,000 euros. So I have to work more now than I would want to, because otherwise they can put me into prison. If you don't pay your taxes, you have to go to prison. Well, and now I don't know if the retirement insurance will still pay me money, because the hotel work is like 8 hours a day, like a normal job. It's a normal job. There are rarely any jobs where you can only work 2 hours 59 minutes each day. It just doesn't exist, because who will work the other 5 hours that are left of the shift? So I hope I can still get money from them, because otherwise I would have to work full time. Which would mean that I would have to die earlier, because they said I can't work more than 2 hours 59 a day. Otherwise, that's not good for my heart. I don't feel bad, but they know it better. They are doctors. 5 minutes until my lesson. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.